I had to mute that. We're not trying to get copyrighted, but I'm starting with the ball cap method. It's cutting out my ears, and now we are applying the freeze spray to get this bad baby laid down. In this part, I like to go in with my needle and thread and secure the back of my cap, because you know, when you cut off the thick band at the bottom, the cap does sometimes slide back. So I like to go in the center of my head and just sew it down. Please do not forget this part. The reason why I have dry residue on the side of my ear is I happened to put my cap on and forgot to blow dry it, which then caused me to start cutting and the whole entire wig cap came off. So yeah, don't do that. Make sure you blow dry. Now that a wig cap is fully dry, we're gonna start to cut off the excess wig cap to fit it against my hairline. So boom, this is what I was talking about in the back. You see how now we cut off the thick band, now the back of my wig cap is up, but that's why we sewed the middle, because the middle gives the front with the freeze spray extra security, if you see what I'm talking about. So here is the unit. I just want to let you guys know that this unit was fully black. I bleached and dyed this unit and turned it into this crimson magenta color. Let me know if you guys want to see the video of how I turned this hair from black to red, okay? But pause though, because it is giving scalp already, honey. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. At this moment, I'm feeling it. Okay, who's gonna look like a baddie on their birthday? I am. So much fun grooving while I'm doing my hair. But yeah, so in this part, you know, we gotta do the important part. You gotta cut out your ear, so you know your ear's not stuck behind your wig, because we don't want that. No, we don't. side of my phone recording, so that's why you see me turning to the mirror. I have a mirror on both sides of my bathroom wall, and there was no way to place the camera in front so you guys could see, so that's why I'm going from side to side. So I realized after recording that I forgot to press play while I was applying the glue to my hairline. So right now that process is obviously not here, so you see me just placing my lace on top of the glue and getting it where I need it to be placed correctly before I really secure it and push it down. Now this is a new technique that I've been doing that I find very useful. So I go in with an elastic band, and once I glue down my lace, I place this on here and I leave it on here for, honestly I can't say, I would say maybe like 20-30 minutes. Like I do that while I'm doing other stuff around the house, and I'm just letting it like really sit there and dry. Like no rush, do not rush the processes, don't do it. Right here I'm going back in with some glue on the tip of my tweezer because I realized that I need to place some more glue at just the front of my lace. My sides are all fine, just need to add a little bit more glue to the front parts before we start cutting. Disclaimer, I thought I was recording when I was cutting the lace, so I'm sorry ladies. I will make sure that I pay more attention the next time I upload an install video. It was just a lot going on this morning. I was trying to rush. I just got off from working an overnight shift. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to hurry up and do my hair because I got other errands to do. It was a lot going on this morning. But it came together. So in this part I'm going in with the comb, to secure and really rub it in there, make sure everything is set, because when it comes time to cutting, we do not need this frontal to be lifting, especially with the activities we got planned for this weekend. Okay. And boom, what lace? And boom, what lace? Okay, and boom, what lace? So now we're going in to straighten out the part. I like to trace the bridge of my nose up my forehead, make sure I get a perfect straight line. And once I get that line, you're gonna see that I start plucking out the part. I don't like to pluck my part before it's on my head, because sometimes I be thinking I got the line in the center and I put the wig on and I don't pluck the whole crooked line that's not even in the center of my head. And nobody got time for this. It's my birthday. And when it's your birthday, you gotta come correct. So yeah, now I'm going in right here, plucking my part, going back and forth. That hot comb, I know we all got childhood traumas, but that hot comb is your best friend when it comes to an install. I flat ironed my hair off camera, and okay, we getting in because the hair's coming out bomb. Like, I really over here bumping this whole time. But yeah, the flat iron is your best friend to flatten out any bumps and stuff, but also run the flat iron over your unit before you put it on your head, and then once it's on your head, do that one little pass through, and you're good to go, baby girl. You're good to go. Also, don't forget, this was a regular natural color unit that I bleached and turned red. So let me know if you guys want to see that video on how I turned this unit from black to red, and that's on period. Thanks for coming. Make sure to subscribe.